Hey curly friends, it's Taslim and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be trying a mask and bring my curls back to life. Now I've seen tons of YouTubers use this Aztec clay mask and I've seen nothing but great results. And so I was intrigued and wanted to see the results myself. I am also going to use this organic apple cider vinegar and mix it with the mask. I did not take any measurements, however I just made my guesses and made sure it was enough for my hair. Now after you mix the apple cider vinegar in the mask, you'll see it bubble up, which is very normal, and also you have to use plastic bowl and spoon instead of metal because using metal will cause the clay to lose its benefits. Now I am going to go ahead and section my hair. By the way, I just washed my hair. It's clean and I don't have any products. So I'm going to work my hair into small sections, and you want to make sure your hair is tangled prior to applying the mask. Okay, so now I am spraying my hair down with some water. You do not want to apply the mask on dry hair because that is not a good idea. So make sure your hair is wet or you have a spray bottle on hand. Also, before you start to apply your mask, you might want to get a towel and put it over your shoulders because it's about to get very messy. In my case, I am using an old t-shirt and a silk robe that I don't mind messing up. Alright, so when I apply the mask, I am going to get into its benefits and all the goodies it's supposed to do. First thing first, the Aztec clay mask is supposed to deep cleanse your hair and draw out toxic oils, unnecessary oils, and remove product buildups. It doesn't strip the hair of moisture, which is great, and it's supposed to help define your curls, which is awesome. And with the apple cider vinegar in it, it's meant to help alleviate scalp issues such as dandruffs and itchiness. It's also meant to promote stronger and shinier hair as well. You can also use this mask on your face. This mask is included in my skincare routine and it leaves my skin so clear, smooth, and very soft. I have to say this stuff is pretty amazing. While I was working the mask into my hair, it felt very weird. For example, as soon as I applied the mask onto my hair, it immediately got very hard and very dry. So it was very hard to finger comb through my hair. However, I learned that the more water I sprayed onto my hair, the easier it got. And my hair felt softer and of course it had more slip. So make sure you wet your hair just enough. But other than that, I love the way it elongated my hair and I love how it defined my curls. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this mask all over my hair and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you can see, I have finished applying the mask to my hair, and I have to say that I could not stop touching my hair. It was so soft, and of course the mask began to harden. However, I love how this mask defined my curls, you guys. I love how elongated it is. I just could not believe this. This mask is amazing. I'm just blown away. So what I'm going to do right now, I am going to leave it on 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to go jump in the shower and wash it off. Alright guys, while I was rinsing the mask off, which was super easy, however I did notice that it was a little hard to go in onto the scalp and wash everything off. So I went and I applied conditioner and then brushed my hair down, which made everything so much easier. My hair felt amazing. My curls were soft, they were defined, bouncy, and of course my hair felt very clean, like fresh clean, which I love. It's like my hair was brought back to life. My hair was rejuvenated, and I also noticed less frizz as well. So I went ahead and I styled my hair as usual by just applying leave-in conditioner, and as you can see, my hair feels and looks amazing. It is so soft, it's less frizzy, and I am still blown away by this mask. I am so in love. I just could not stop touching my hair. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this mask to everybody I know because it does its job very well, and not just on hair but as a face mask as well. It's amazing for your skin. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and as usual, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.